Oh, hello there. I think we have an interesting video today. Actually, it should be interesting at least because I haven't touched or even seen any of these for almost 7 years. So I'm feeling a bit of nostalgia. What is it, you ask? It's a remote controlled stunt car. So yeah, if you feel like you want to see more videos like this, make sure to suck, 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 subscribe. And in this channel, we literally explore any interesting technology. So we've reviewed earbuds and we talked about smartphones. Now we are moving on to a starting car. Pretty interesting. So let's go ahead and unbox this and let's see what they have to offer. Alright, so we have the box here at the front. You have the brand name 5Joy, stunt car. The age range 5 and up. I feel a bit offended here. I'm way older than that, but okay. But it says 5 and up, so it can be anything after 5, so anyone. Alright, so you have this stunt car here, obviously big. This is not how it looks. I think you can turn it into this. However, it don't look like this at first. I think, yeah, I don't think it looks like this at first. 2.4 gigahertz. Now I'm not sure what that is. Usually on a smartphone that would mean how smooth a smartphone is and how the refresh rate and everything. This in this one I'm not sure what it means. I think it means how responsive it is. I think the 2.4 gigahertz tells you how responsive this is to the commands that you send with the remote. So that I think that's what it is. And one thing, I don't, if that's the case, I don't know how good the 2.4 is. And but once we do get to try out, we'll see how good it is. So you have SY0051, I'm not sure, I think that's the model number, imported by WLS Panda GmbH. That should be the company. Yeah. Yeah, you have a scan code or whatever. Here you got your stunt car and whatever. Radio control, hot speed racing. Okay, now here. Okay, you have the remote controller here. It shows you all the commands. So forward, left, right, joystick pull up. At the same time, left joystick indicator. Yeah, that's the light basically. Backwards, left, right joystick. Okay, whatever. You have all the commands. Here now you have here all the features. 360 flip. That's the interesting thing about these ones. That's why I specifically picked this one, because literally what it means is that this can land in any side of the it can land on the right side or even the wrong side and it will still carry on driving. So it could even fall down the stairs and it would carry on driving, because no matter which side of the wheel it falls on, it will just carry on driving. RC radio control, full function. Yeah, all these functions are here. Powerful drive. Okay. Oh, we have a lot of stuff here. First of all, you get all these languages here. So Italian, French, English, I think that's Spanish. Yeah, so you got all of these. You got a lot of commands. You have a lot of instructions here. So that's great. Yep. Yeah, you got all these informations here. I think these are all the hazard and everything. So 5 under, don't give it to kids under 5. Yeah, that's literally it. So we're gonna go in the box right now. I should have kept a knife around. And oh, I forgot to show you this. Yeah, these are This is what I mean. So you can land anywhere. Okay. Alright. Whoa. Okay. I don't know if I did it the right way, but okay. What the? Alright, hold on. You got the controller. I think that's the controller, yeah. Ow. Okay. Oh. Okay, I knew you could recharge this, but I thought you could charge the car itself. I thought it was the car itself that you had to charge. But as you can see, this is the battery and this is the charger. But so you charge the battery itself, not the, you don't plug it into your car or whatever. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, we put that aside. Let's take everything out first. Actually, no. It's only the car here, so let's first start with these. Oh. Alright. As I said, last time I used anything like this 7 years ago. So when I will first try it out, I'm gonna be very rusty. Okay, nothing. Hold on. Hold on. What's this? Kids, be careful. Yeah, I think I know what this is. Okay, hold on, we'll see you later. Yep. Whoa, this is weird. Why? It's a massive bump here, man. Okay, so I think. Okay, wait. Oh yeah. Look, look. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look, you put it like this. Put it like this, and then. Yep. That's it, done. And you just plug it in, and yeah, it should be quite long. Yeah. What? Wait, hold on. It should. Oh, okay, yeah. You have to press it quite hard, but then yeah, now it fits. It won't go off. Yeah, and then you plug it in, whatever. You should have one of these plugs at home anyway. I thought I'd get 2 charges. What? Hold on. Let's see how you open this up. Okay. Yeah, you get 2. You're supposed to get 2 batteries. Where's that one? What? Hold on. Okay, so guys, I want to check something out. Basically, I think I'm supposed to get 2 batteries because, of course, there's 2 spaces here, and I'm meant to get 2 batteries, and you don't get 2 batteries. You only get 1 battery here, and you get another battery inside here. I'm gonna show you in a bit. However, that really irritated me because of that, I would have had to order a battery for this specific remote, and maybe that would have delayed of when I upload the video. However, luckily, thank God, I found some of these batteries laying around the house, and I put them on, as you can see, and now everything works fine. I can use it as normal. So that's it. So you can just place these 2, and the other battery that I had for this one, I don't even know, it's not even working. I don't think it is working. I tried to charge it. If any of you guys do have this Stunt car, let me know if you had any issue like this. Also, I would love it if you guys have any suggestion of what you think I should do if you had similar cars before and you did something about it, or maybe it's supposed to work in some other way and I don't know. So let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate that. So now the car itself. So as you can see, this thing here, you have to turn it all the way around. You turn it all the way around like this. Now this should come off, as you can see. Yeah, so you see this little, you see the same exact battery as before, and it's plugged in. Well, you don't get it plugged in, you have to plug it in yourself, like I showed you before, with the charger. The same way you plugged in with a charger, you have to, with the cable, you have to plug this one in as well. So yep, so let's put it back. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And once you put the batteries on, you don't need to, once you put the batteries on this one, you don't need to do anything. However, on this one, you got the switch here. I already tried it out a bit and I'll tell you about it in a bit. You have off and on here, and now it's off obviously, and you just switch on and voila, look, all the lights are here, like some police car. uh yeah, and then you got here, you got the arrows here, forward, back. So this one, only these two wheels. So this one will be the right wheels, and this one will be the left wheels. You can only go forward and backward. So if you only do one, if you use this one only, it's gonna start moving around like a blade. This one, same thing, but on the other side, on the other way. And yeah, but however, if you want to go forward, you press both of them together. Same thing, if you want to go backward, you press both of them backwards. I'll try if I can, because as of right now, where I am right now, there's not enough space to record this while I'm using this, and I don't have anyone to help me around, so no one to record while I'm using it. So I'll try get a shot of it. So I'll try go outside and get someone to record me playing with this and see if it works. Just to show you how it is. However, look, so far I'm really irritated about the fact that the batteries didn't work. Well, maybe they work and I don't know how to use it. However, it only comes with one battery when it's this. You need two. Luckily, I had two already around the house and I put that in. But imagine if I didn't find that, I would really be irritated. I would really be angry actually, because I wouldn't have the chance to upload it on the day that I would prefer to upload. I think you guys are gonna see it on a Monday. If I didn't have the batteries, I would have to order it, and by the time it comes, it would be too late, and I wouldn't be able to upload on time. So yeah, yeah. But everything worked out well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will stay tuned till the end. If I can, I'll get a shot of it. If I can't, then I'm sorry. I'll make a separate video probably. Actually, you know what? So yeah, that is it for today. So if you did enjoy the video and you want to see more videos just like this, make sure to subscribe and post notification bell on, because you don't want to miss these weekly videos. and the post notification bell on will keep you updated every single time I upload. So make sure to go ahead and do that. And please, I would love if you guys would smash the like button. And yeah, hope to see you next time.